One of our other partners is Sense.io, and also they want to share their story.
Hello, I'm Roman Staszewski, the founder and CEO of Sense.io, an Internet of Things company specializing in smart agriculture. Why do we use LoRaWAN in agriculture? Before I answer this question, let's consider the broader context of factors driving the Internet of Things adoption in this vertical. There's almost a perfect storm priming agriculture for a profound disruption. First, the demand for food has ever been increasing. The world's population has been growing at relentless rates, stretching the limits of global food production and distribution. Second, there are more severe constraints affecting production. The climate change has been disrupting the weather patterns, making the agricultural yields less predictable. The natural resources, such as water, have been depleting at unsustainable rates, forcing governments around the world to issue more stringent usage restrictions. And in the US and other parts of the world, the rising protectionist policies are affecting the migrant labor forces and rising the production costs. Third, the recent technological innovations and practices have created exciting new possibilities for much better solutions to make the agriculture more sustainable, efficient, and resilient. In this context, agriculture vertical has very distinct considerations for the use of the Internet of Things technologies. It's a highly fragmented vertical with many use cases and diversified customer base. The food production is done over enormous distances in diversified terrain. Additionally, due to diverse geography, the environments experience harsh and unforgiving conditions. And the rural areas have poor communications and power grid infrastructure compared to the metropolitan hubs. Lastly, agriculture is mostly a commodity business with significant cost pressures. LoRaWAN is nearly perfect wireless technology and ecosystem to address this unique set of considerations. Sense.io has had much success with LoRaWAN deployments in agriculture, and we are very happy we chose this technology. But as always the case with complex systems, there are some practical challenges with LoRaWAN that we have been facing and solving over the last few years. I will talk more on these points at a greater depth in my next presentation. I hope you can join me there. Thank you.
Great. All very interesting stories. And what you see is that LoRaWAN is solving a lot of different problems and connecting a lot of different sensors, creating an ecosystem of sensors in the agriculture industry.